Hey guys, welcome back to the layout. I just wanted to do a real quick video on the LGB 12260 double slip. Because I think it's important that you know about this small issue if you're going to buy one, because they're not cheap. So I've connected up to this straight piece here, and I've connected up to this curved piece here. And that's a particular curved piece, which I'll discuss that in a minute. So it's doing what I want to do, but the problem is when I go to connect up the opposing tracks, these railway ties, or sleepers, depends on what side of the pond you're on, collide with each other. And so I'm going to have to either cut this sleeper or cut that sleeper, right, which I don't want to do. And the same on the opposing side over here. I have the same problem. Now, it's no big deal, it's an easy task, but the point is that this track is not cheap. All right, especially that one. That's a 16 or 16000 third radius curve, 22.5 degrees. So I don't really want to cut this one. Cut this one, because I suppose I could cut that one. Yeah, I suppose the straightest or the most economical cut would be on a standard straight piece. They're pretty cheap, relatively speaking. So the other thing you need to be aware of is this is a 22.5 degree angle, these two, or these four, I should say. And if you're matching it up to a first radius turnout, because virtually everything on my lower deck is first radius, this is 30 degrees. So if I just stand back, you can see how I've got the track design to go. So in order to get this turnout and this double slip to match up, I need a specific piece of track to make it work. And it's one of these, and that's what this piece is. If you look at it, it's basically, it's a quarter of a radius 1 curve. All right, and that part number is upside down. Great camera work, Rob, there we go. 1104 or 11040, depending on how old or new the part is. So you'll need to do that. So, because basically you're taking 22.5 degrees, and with this piece you're adding 7.5 degrees, which equals 30. So you just need to bear that in mind when you're planning your layout using that double slip. All right, guys. If you're using the next one, or the next size turnout, which is I think it's a radius 3, and I don't have any of those on my layout anywhere actually. Then it's not a problem, because I think, oh no, it is a problem. Yeah, they're the same. They're also 30 degrees. So you need to bear that in mind. No, they're not. They're 22.5 degrees. Yes, definitely 22.5 degrees. So this part is not a problem, but it's definitely a problem with these. Okay, bear that in mind.